Why do you sometimes see heat pumps up on a little platform like they're chilling on stilts? So, check this out. Heat pumps often get elevated because snow can be a real pain when it blocks the outdoor coil. If the coil gets buried in snow, the system loses airflow, which means it can't work properly to heat your home during winter. Elevating the unit keeps it clear of deep snow and ice buildup, letting air flow freely all season long. Plus, raising the pump helps prevent water damage by keeping it away from puddles and melting snow around the base. Another thing is that being off the ground can reduce dirt and debris clogging the coil, so the system stays efficient. If you don't elevate it and snow piles up, your heat pump might freeze or shut down, which is a hassle you really want to avoid. Also, when installing, make sure there's enough clearance around the unit for easy maintenance and good airflow. So, yeah, keeping your heat pump lifted is like giving it breathing room to keep your home cozy without drama. One of the biggest problems people run into with heat pumps is poor airflow caused by snow or leaves blocking the outdoor coil. Fix that by making sure the pump is elevated and regularly clearing debris away. Another common mistake is placing the heat pump too close to walls or fences, which restricts airflow. Always leave at least 2 feet of clearance around it. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to check the drainage around their heat pump, which can cause water buildup and damage. Make sure the area slopes away from the unit or add a drainage pad to keep things dry. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to install and maintain heat pumps properly. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making home projects way less stressful for everyone involved.